When you really want to stand out, you make your cart look like this.
GolfCartingTV is your inside source for the coolest upgrades, mods, and accessories to take your trusty golf cart from drab to fab.
Hey everybody, it's Matt with Converted Carts. Welcome back to GolfCartingTV. Today we've got a pretty special cart to take a look at. This is actually a redo of a cart that we did a while back, and we are going to look at Beast Mode 2.0. So Paul and Mike, the guys over at Angry Goat Custom Carts down in DeBerry, Florida, are going to show us kind of their redone, upgraded version of their cart that they have. Quick shout out real quick to Yada Golf. I've got a new shirt on today and just wanted to say thanks for those guys at Yada. They got some great stuff. So if you're looking for bright, crazy, stupid shirts like this, check them out. Let's jump in, have a conversation with Paul, and we'll take a look at Beast Mode Part 2.
This is Beast Mode 2.0. This is the white one that we had before. The white one had been around for about a year and a half, kind of made its rounds. Just kind of been there, done that, so we decided to change things up and decided to just redo the entire thing from top to bottom pretty much. We started off with the most attention-getting thing is the paint from Liquid Lenny's over in Odessa, Florida. He just knocked it out of the park. I told him I want wild, I want crazy, I want American and themed, and he said, I got you. And that's what he came up with. And we went with the MODZ seats, the FS3, had them all done in red. Told them I wanted them to look like it's dipped in red, and that's what they did. Doug over at MODZ always takes real good care of us, and Aaron's great. They always take super care of us and get it done quick. We went with a bigger wheel this time. We went up to the 26s. These are 26 by 14s. And still same lift from Big Bad Carts. We have the DEKOMATS took care of us with a custom floor mat. They designed it and knocked it out of the park for us. We have our dash. That was from courtesy of Barry at Kart King, who made us the dash for us, and we textured it and painted it. And of course, all the Sound Extreme gear. We have the Sound Extreme 6.5s. We have two Sound Extreme subs. One of them is actually inside the pod. We got it to fit. We cut a little access port out so you can still get to it to control everything. And obviously the second sub is in the back. We have the full array of Sound Extreme underglow lights. We actually did a kit and a half of underglow from it, so everything flows together along with the Sound Extreme whip lights. Everything syncs together in unison as far as the LED cast goes. We have decided to do this. We've been thinking about this for, I don't know, a couple of years. So we made some custom rocker panels. They are backlit with 5-row LEDs. Had this all CNC'd out, the Lexan behind it, lit it up, so it glows at night and can't really miss it. It stands out. We're gonna paint those probably. That's probably the next thing. We're trying to get this ready for the PGA show to kind of go have some fun with that out at some of the vendor houses. So there's a couple little things we still have to wrap up. This is gonna be probably painted. We all of the emblems we've done from GolfCartEmblems.com. They took care of us. They made us this cool dash piece here where we actually were able to sync in the OTF from the Navitas system. We have the Navitas 10-inch screen, which rocks. We have front and rear cameras. We have AM, FM, Bluetooth, you name it. It's got it on there. Syncs with everything, with your batteries, with state of charge, speedometer, everything like that.
Very cool.
And this time we left the top off, so we went topless this time, make it a little easier to transport. I can just barely fit it in my enclosed trailer now. And
how tall is it? Do you know?
Well, I'm 6'1", so
all right,
it's up there.
Yeah.
It fits into the 7-foot trailer. My trailer opening is 83 inches and it squeaks in, so I'd say probably 81 inches.
So I see lights inside the rims here.
Yes, those are from our buddies over at Overkill Lighting. Ryan hooked us up with those. He is here local in Longwood, Florida, and he does all the crazy truck lights and everything else, and Those are 5-row, 17-inch LED lights that are fully controllable. You can sync them to all kinds of different patterns and everything else. But they are blinding at night. So sometimes we have to turn them down just a little bit. Otherwise, it just...
Yeah, on those chrome wheels, I'm sure it
just pops.
shouts.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And this is your second subwoofer back here.
That's the second subwoofer along with the Sound Extreme lights. And we decided to put a cover, kind of make a little cover for the back of the storm body, because we're not using a back seat.
You can't see much in the day, but these guys light up like crazy, and you have all kinds of a whole bunch of different variety of styles and colored themes and stuff like that.
You can set them up. This is called the Patriot mode. It's a red, white, and blue, but you've got all kinds of things, and you can pre-program them for whatever you want. And the cool thing with all the Sound Extreme stuff is they've got settings on the app where you can pre-program the different presets, and you can have it so I want that mode, or I want Christmas mode, or Halloween, or whatever you want. It'll do red and green, or whatever colors you want to do. Rainbows, it does everything. And you don't have to go through and scroll through and pick every color out. You just hit a preset. And the neat thing with that is everything goes together. It's all in sync. And that's about it.
Nice. A little
Yes, I told the painter he could do whatever he wanted, and he added a little skull guy back there and one in the pod too.
Cool.
So, well, yeah. Whatever you want, just make it cool, make it.
And there's a storm body kit underneath all this, right?
This is a storm body kit with the Easy Go front center pod. Yep.
That's awesome.
Built on a Navitas chassis, obviously running Navitas 5 kilowatt motor and 600 cc or 600 amp controller. We have dual lithiums in it. We have the dual eco battery lithiums. They're a little dirty from running around at the PGA, and we run a separate 12 volt lithium dedicated electronics battery.
Nice. Well, you've done well. Version number 2.
Where Mike ran off to. Mike's my main guy, my right-hand man, and he's also responsible for helping build it. We put it together, and pretty much just the two of us, but we're happy with it.
That's awesome.
On to the next one.
On to the next. Very cool.
Thank you, Matt.
Now that is a cart that's going to stand out when you're driving down the road. That is just awesome. Those guys at Angry Goat really got some talent, and it's awesome to be able to talk to them again and see what they've got going on. Hey, if you wouldn't mind, give us a click, give us a subscribe, give us a like, and be sure to go to GolfCartingTV.com to get all of the latest of all these videos that we put out there, plus one for sponsors and all that fun stuff. So, like, subscribe, smash that bell, make sure you get notified so you don't miss a single thing. Every Wednesday at noon, new episodes drop. See you then.